What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Mercado, and we back at it again with another video today. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I wash my car quickly, efficiently, and for dirt cheap. Now, my number one rule when it comes to car washing is stay away from those drive-through car washes, bro, because your car is guaranteed to see, I'm stumbling on my words because it's definitely gonna happen to you. Your car is guaranteed to get scratched up. It's guaranteed to get scratched up, especially if you have a black car. You want to be extra careful with your paint, and you want to make sure you 100% hand wash your car. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I wash my car, like I said, for dirt cheap, real quick, real efficiently, and we about to make it do what it do, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I drop a video, man. So let's go ahead and head to this car wash, and we about to make it do what it do. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we finally made it to the car wash. It's all about preparation with these car washes, man. The first thing you want to do, make sure you have your money right. Get your dollars so you can get your coins, your quarters, or whatever you need so you can get in and out of this joint. And then also with me, I like to have my microfiber tiles ready to go. So this one, as you can see, it has spots on it. I know this is for my wheels. Could possibly use some of this stuff in here for my wheels, and these black ones right here, strictly for washing the car. All right, y'all, so as you can see, my car is dirty. It's dirty as hell right now. So I got $3 that I'm about to play with right now. We gonna see if we can make it do what it do for $3. Big fumble, y'all. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I like to get in and out this joint. So what we got? 4 minutes on the clock. This what we got left. First thing I'm gonna do is that spot-free rinse. And I always just kind of spray out a little bit, but we should be good here. And this is just go bust down some of this dirt that's on the car and loosen it up real quick. As y'all can see down here, this usually where most of the buildup from bugs and all kind of stuff come. So I just like to bust this down real quick. What we got on the clock? We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and go right to the wash soap. Get that soap going. Once I see that we got some little soap action, go ahead and spray the car down. And as you can see at this car wash, this particular soap is not too sudsy, so that's what I like about it. And then make sure you always keep a distance too, because this is a high pressure water gun, water pistol, whatever you want to call it, car wash gun. So I like to keep a nice little distance away. But now you can see the soap is starting to bust down a little bit, and we just about to go around the car. So we only got about 40 seconds left. So far, I think I spent what, $2.50. So I'm gonna just drop another 50 cents in this joint. Because all we got to do now is rinse this thing. So that's all we need. We got like another 2 minutes. We go rinse. Just spray them out. Get rid of all that soap so we can make sure we're not adding soap back onto the car. And just come in and bust them down. We got 20 seconds left, but look, I'm gonna show y'all something. This is not for the actual wash. I'm gonna just drop one more quarter in here, because you never want to put, you never ever want to put dry microfiber cloths on your car. Even though the car is wet, I just still like to spray these down a little bit. And my towels are pretty much clean for the most part, but I just still like to make them wet and just wring them out. So I'm just about to wet this one down real quick just to kind of show y'all what I do. This is my process. It works best for me and I get good results. Like I said, you never ever want to put these dry cloths on your car. So after you get a good wash down on those, put this thing down. Yeah, that's pretty much all it is to it. So I'm about to come wring these boys out. And the good thing about these towels right here is when you wring them out, they actually get pretty dry and pretty solid. And boom, we ready to rock and roll. So you can just slap them on the car just like that. I'm gonna take this one, wring this one out. Car looking good. Like I said, I'm just showing y'all a quick way to wash your car for dirt cheap and just get a nice little efficient wash. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is definitely go get the job done. It's go get the job done for sure. All right, but I'm gonna just take y'all around the car real quick for a minute. As you can see, all that dust is gone, and we about to just go ahead and bust it down. So I got two different cloths that I'm gonna work with, black right here, and then also the #1 rule, make sure when you dry your car you go in one particular motion. Do not go in circles. If you do not want scratches in your car, do not do this. Don't do this, man, because that's how you get swirl marks and that's how you get scratches in your paint. But as you can see, look, silky smooth. And look, every time you take the towel through, you could actually wring it out a little bit. Right now I'm actually gonna kind of work pretty quickly, but I'm gonna just show y'all an example. Let me just go and show y'all how I do it. So just go ahead, bring it down one side, boom, one motion. Come this way, one motion. And they don't have to be perfect. Right now we just want to get the majority of the water off this thing. Let's go one motion, just like that. Go this way. And look at him. Look at him, he looking good. And we just go repeat across the entire car, man. Simple as that. boom, just like that, man. We working real efficient, looking good on this side. So right now I'm about to come over here, finish getting these windows. One motion, and we still haven't even got to the second tile yet, but the second tile is pretty much just gonna be for that last layer, and it's looking good. It's looking real good, and I know, like I said, this is just, once again, this is just a quick and efficient way. Some of you guys like to do the spray on wax, which I do when I actually have the time, but when I just need a quick wash and I want to wash my car really good and for cheap and get good results, this does justice completely. Look, car looking A1, boy. That black paint wet. Now all we got to do is worry about this little trunk area, and that's pretty much him. Alright, y'all, now as you can see, the car, we pretty much done for the most part. It's couple little spots, but it's very minimal. That's why I have that second tile. But as you can see, it's pretty much good to go. I'm gonna just go back over this a little bit, get them lights, these lights down here. Don't forget to do your headlights. That's how you get that good shine in there. But for the most part, we A1. And a little tip that I have too, anytime you wash your car like this, make sure you lift your trunk up, because you gonna have all that water. you gotta clean up all of this water to make sure that it doesn't drop back down on what you did. So now this is the main towel we've been using for the most part. I'm gonna go to the second one. It's pretty dry, still got a little bit of liquid in there, but it's pretty dry. And just those few little bit of water spots that I have left, it's just easy. Just glide right over that thing just like that. The trunk is always gonna be the tricky part, because you lift this thing up and that water drip. So usually with the trunk, you're gonna have to go over the trunk a couple times. So I'm gonna just leave it up so all of that water can leak out. But so far, it's looking good for the most part. I mean, everything is A1. Like I said, man, that pitch black, I mean, don't get me wrong, black cars, they hard to clean, but man, that shine you get off a black car, second to none. So as you can see, we got a little bit of drip right here on this side. Go ahead, same thing, make sure you're always going in one motion. Come over here, it's water dripping right down the middle. Still got a little drip, and I'm gonna show y'all something. When you close this down, kind of shut it pretty hard, and then these little crevices right here, just go in a straight line like that, and that's it. Now as long as you're not going in circles, you pretty much should be okay. I'm gonna lightly drag it this way so I can get rid of some of that excess water, and Man, that's all there is to it. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the video. Simple and easy car wash for like $3 or $3.50, something like that. But dirt cheap, car looking real good. Can't beat that. Yeah, man. So before we go, let me know in the comments how you wash your car. Let me know some of your tips, some of your secrets. Just go ahead and talk to your boy. I'm gonna be back on Friday with another video. Before you leave, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content. I appreciate every single one of y'all.